right now we're doing a test. See how these boards work. Okay, right now charge current for 828 up to 600 milliamp. Beautiful. Okay, if you this one lie down, see what's happening. Okay, the charge efficiency gonna drop 30% at least. Okay, more. Okay, that's it. Okay, and then the piece obstacle. Okay, maybe it's wood, maybe it's paper, maybe it's a leaf. So whatever. Okay, what's going on? Just one piece. What's going on? Almost gone. Almost gone. Only one piece. Only one piece shadow. Only one piece shadow almost blocked the charge current. Okay? Only one piece. Only one piece shadow. Okay? Move. Back to maximum charge. Okay? So the solar panel, you cannot be blocked by any piece, even one piece. Only one finger can drop a lot. See? Only one finger can cut down almost 30% charge rate. Okay? Back to 600 milliamp. Oh, if the whole piece, just one piece shadow, just one piece shadow, it's gone. It's gone. The charge is gone. Okay? It's gone. So only one piece shadow. It's gone. See? 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 What's different? Much different. Only one piece shadow almost blocked the whole charge.